Starting live, yeah.
Yeah, right now, forget.
We're welcoming you at news at 5 o'clock. As usually, every day, ngibana guest wami esizokhuluma nawo today. First thing is first thing. So far, we have 1,326 cases that we have in South Africa, and we only have 5 deaths. Yes, only 5 deaths, and we hope it's gonna stay like that. Ingakhuphuki, ingayindawo, because if abantu bazokhona ukuzinakekela bahlale ezindlini bangaphumeli ngaphandle bakhona ukuthi baziquarantine njengokubona nathi qala le distance uyayibona sizamile ukuthi siyivule between mina namaguest wami ukuthi lo abantu babone ukuthi ake sike nje siqale sithi siyanamukela lana ku Magazas Corners News at 5. Sihlangana la njalo lana ngaleso lesikhathi saka 5 o'clock lapho sikufundela khona indaba ezomphakathi nezindaba ezithinta isizwe sonke eNingizimu Afrika nasemhlabeni wonke jikelele. Namhlanje siphethe igesi lethu lokuqala khona ngalena okumr Silwane, simazi ukuthi seniyamazi la ekhaya. Siphinde sibe nokukhulumela iPeople's Forum namhlanje uzozisho igama lakhe ukuthi ubani. So namhlanje ithike ngamukela amagesi. Mr Silwane kunjani bot?
Siyaphila kunjani?
Alright, siyaphila ngathi kunjani siyanokuyivota. Siphinde sikwamukele bot ubhuti bani?
Ufishi mina wabaZulu isibongo. Ngilana ngokumela umphakathi.
Oh, okay. Buti ke ake sikamukele ke lana ku Magazas Corners News at 5. So mfethu ake sizwe man. Wena isimo lesi esibhekene naso South Africa kanye mhlambe sisizwe sonke ukuthi nako siyabona ukuthi abantu bona akusiyabaningi kangako ukuthi mhlambe basebashonile ukusho ukuthi abantu bazama ukusigwema lesi simo. So wena futhi ngolwazi lwakho affecta kangakanani indaba ye corona?
Ngokwazi kwami i-corona iya-affecta kakhulu ngoba ugovernment uyenzile yonke into emele ayenze, kepha abanikanga abantu ithuba lokuthi bathole ukuthi bathenge ezinye izinto bakhona ukuyisondeza eduzane. Ngizokwenzela example nje mfethu. Banikiwe abantu ithuba lokuthi bawuthenga ukudla. Sandiswa isikhathi. Kepha banikwanga abantu laba kumele baphuza abaphuzayo. Ungasuka khona manje uhambe uye emall. Uzofika emall udlula la kuthengiswa khona utshwala. Uselikwa utshwala uyabona ubambe ilayini ume la eminyango waselikwa. Kuwo lo mnyango bohlala ungena kuwo. Bengicela nje mina ukuthi ugovernment azama ukuthi afake noma ama-curtains. Bona labantu laba abanabo abatshele bafaka ama-curtains ngoba lento ibulala abantu. Umuntu nakazoma la abe ayazi into azoyifuna ukuthi beyila lapha into ayoyifuna eyabantwana ngoba esitolo siya nje vele angeke uye umuntu wesilisa ukuthi uyothenga igross. Uzohamba nomuntu ohlalisana naye nawufika lapho uyathatha wena ingqondo yakho ilemuva.
So
lavalo
ngamanye amagama ushudwana ichemist labantu abadala njengoba livaliwe uma sihloniphisa ngelimi lethu lesintu. Ichemist labantu abadala usho ukuthi njengoba awunankinga ukuthi ivalwe.
Anginankinga kodwa bengafisa ukuthi ugovernment athi no ngoba okunye uyakhona ukuthi akureverse kancane. Bengafisa akabanike ithuba ukuthi mhlambe abanike mhlambe ukuthi ngo9 to 12 baye bayothenga bahambe baye ezindlini. Ngoba nawuthi uyayibuka lento le umuntu uphuma endlini kuthiwa akahlala endlini. Uphuma endlini anginde yonke indawo ufuna nani la angathola khona utshwala. Ngoba utshwala kutholakala. The worst part ke mfowethu sekungene nogwayi. Angazi ukuthi ugwayi ungena phi ukuthi kuyo leyo coronavirus nasitshwaleni ngoba phela okay utshwala ngibona ukuthi kuthiwa yibo benza ukuthi abantu bahlangane babe baningi. Mina ngesifiso sami ngiyamcela nje ugovernment ake nje athi ukucedisa kancane abanike ithuba ngoba sizoba sibalekela i-coronavirus. Usazofa abantu. Kukhona abantu abaphuza utshwala abaphila ngotshwala. Ufanga sabuthola lo muntu lotshwala uyagula. Uya ka doctor uthi udoctor ungabusayeka uzawuyeka ini ngoba vela yikho lento.
Mr. Slani, uma sesondela kuwe bhuti, uthini ngamagama aceda ukukhulunywa ubhuti?
Ngiyamuzwa ukuthi Fishi ngendlela ayichaza ngayo. Yona iba inkinganyana, ngezwe mase bala ugwaye abala notshwala. Yeah, that's cigarette. But the problem is ukuthi labantu babhemisana. Uyazwisisa mos negas baphusana ngebhodlela 750 1 liter baphuzisana manje ivele lento le uzoba nayo i-corona virus ngoba yona iyinkinga yona lento le self ngoba manje yena umfethu lo beyafuneka ayichaze ukuthi lento le yebo bebafuneka babanikeze i-chance but the problem ukuthi basmoke bonke sithi babhemisana manje lokho kudala ukuthi ibe inkinga ukuthi futhi iphinde futhi iqhamuke antivirus angeke ingapheli le virus le ile corona virus ngoba baphuzisana babhemisana ngithi mina angaphikisani nohulumeni njengoba umthetho sekawushilo.
Okay, I have one comment here. We have Mr. Seychelles Smith. Oti, can you please tell Mr. Slwane to please speak in English because some of us we don't understand his home language.
Okay, my friend, I'm tired because I don't fit no, but isilungu bengisazi sase-England but ngoba ngingafunda i-TOT but ngizozama ukuthi ngizame English straight properly ukuthi abantu bangizwe. These guys fishing the many people abatshela ngayo ukuthi uhulumeni not give a chance ukuthi you must buy the alcohol and cigarette. But the problem is ukuthi bayasmokisana babhemisana impela nayo inkinga la isibamba khona. Baba makhaphela.
Can we just give him a chance please?
Yes.
Mina ngisacela ukubuza kuwe baba baba ubani?
Umfantsi.
Umfantsi.
Yeah.
If uthi abantu government uvala ugwayi ngoba abantu babhemisana. Angisho.
Yes.
What about laba bantu laba bayithengela ama-20 ababhema bodwa? Lesi sifa ngisho sithi singasondelana. Akumelanga usondele komunye umuntu.
Yes.
Lona ohlala nomuntu endlini balala bhedelinye benza njani bona? Usacela ukungiphendule lapho bese uya lapho lo gwayi. I don't think ukuthi na uvala ugwayi ukuthi usave ukuthi abantu ngeke babambe i-coronavirus. Mina ngokwami umbono wena wena umele lokho wena esayidini lakho ulwela ukuthi kulungile ukuthi ugwayi uvala. Angale nami ukuthi ugwayi okay ugovernment akenze ngakho konke okusebenzeni nakho ukuthi abantu basinde. Kepha asicabangane abanye abantu.
Yeah,
singathathi ama decision sisonke. Okay, kwenziwe lento kube kwanikwa kwathiwa emathaveni kuvulwa ngo9 kuvalwa ngo6. Wanikwa wonke umuntu i2. Yes.
Ukuthi akhona
ukuthenga ehambayo le.
Njengoba bekashilo ukuba ucela athi drink at your father's place.
Yeah. Wala kwathi kungaphindi yenziwe lento le yayenziwe. I21 days ba. Inengi kakhulu. Kwamanje baba uphuma wena uhlala ngapha eZansi. Into la uhlala khona uyayibona isimo sakho ukuthi uyabheka. Uhlangana nomuntu uphethwe ikhanda kakhulu. Ikhanda lakhe nje lotshwa.
Yeah, impossible. Yes, I know. It's impossible, but this is a problem. You sleep a couple. Yeah, you sleep a couple and you want to smoke anything, you know? You want to smoke inside in your home.
No, he never said like
I don't.
Yeah.
He said, let me explain.
Like,
I understand you understand.
Oh, like,
surely. Yeah. He just said sometimes when they say people they mustn't be in a close distance.
Yes.
Like you said yesterday, the 100 meters. What about the very same person that you sleep with her every day in the bed?
Yeah, but this is a problem. But you must wash the sanitizer. Your wife and your husband. You must wash the sanitizer. Because the little close. Remember, it's your wife.
How the wife must sanitize?
Your wife is must sanitize.
How? Explain.
Because
how to sanitize? Like explain. Maybe it's gonna be.
Yeah.
That one I think people they must listen
yes.
very carefully, especially people like our producer.
Yes.
He's married. How the wife must sanitize or with your language sanitize?
Yeah, that's summertise. Never summertise babave bobabili, that summertise. Bangagezi izandla babave bobabili bayakwazi ukuthi babe close. But this is the problem. Kahle kahle unkosikazi this 16 days you must ukuthi azile alale phansi unkosikazi alale embedeni ngoba lento naye ngaqhamuka angiphikisa umzane ngendlela athi ngakodwa that is the problem ukuthi unkosikazi naye ngathi ngahlale kodwa ke ikhona isummertise ngathi angabhava ngayo umzimba wonke azokuhlala ngoba uthe ihusband then ishuthi bohlukaniswa ukufa death and death.
Ngisacela nje ukubuza.
Yes.
Nangabe uthi mina nonkosikazi wami kuzomela singene ebhafini sifake sanitize sigeze siyolala ebusuku ngabo 2 ngicela ungizwisise kahle mfowethu ebusuku ngabo 2 kuzomela ukuthi nangabe mina ngizizwe ukuthi namuhla ngifuna ukusondela eduze kwankosikazi wami kuzomela ngibuyele ebhafini.
Yeah, my friend, it's a problem. The Tash is the move. Tash is the move. It's not. Tash is the move. Tash is the move. You must. Tash is the move. Should you?
Mr. Swan, what he's trying to explain, you know, yes. Somewhere, because I understand he only speaks English. Mr. Swan, he's saying maybe, take for instance, they can summertise earlier, and then they go to bed. Yeah. But now he wants to do them tatandugu. You see them tatandugu is that one for the morning. We have one. Now must he go back summertise again before do the tatandugu?
Yeah, no. If you are sleeping in your wife, I got that blanket because it's that 16 days, 21 days.
Yes.
Yeah, after 21 days, you're lying because now I'm dead.
But now, what if the government extends?
This process is impossible. But I don't know what to government. I understand. I understand, but. As a man who is protected, but it's your wife, because Corona is dangerous.
Mr. Fish.
I'm concerned now.
Yes.
When I now Kuluma on my party.
Yes.
Nami Kuluma on my party.
I know.
It means the okay that I find.
Yes.
Wako ungawusho lokushoyo ukuthi Tash is a move.
Yes.
Unkosikazi sihambe sebhavini siyabuya siyageza siyalala. Uzomela ngilale phansi unkosikazi alale ebhedini. Ayikho ugovernment ubeke kwacaca konke lokuthi sigeza izandla. Awusundelani nomuntu. Nawuthimula wenza so, nawukhwehlela wenza so, awubambi izandla zakho ubuso.
Nawuchithini.
Azange kubale ukuthi umuntu ohlala nomuntu kumele alale phansi.
Mr. Swan, where do you get that?
Where do you get
that information?
Yeah, you ask a very, you know, these people from Italy.
Yeah.
These people from Italy. Other people you sleep alone. Yeah, alone because. Bazamu kwema lesifo ukuthi singababambi you must angisho ukuthi wena ungalali unkosikazi.
Now sir, the problem is you speaking about people from Italy.
Yes.
People from Italy. I think they need that advice from you.
Yeah.
So you have to be strictly on English side.
You're straight to the point.
Yes.
Okay, never mind. These people in the world from Italy,
yes.
These people they sleep alone. Is sleeping alone because this coronavirus is dangerous. But that cure the process that
Oh, okay. So now uphikisana nomgomo ukuthi uthi wena ukuthi fishing mangabe mhlambe umuntu ohlala nonkosikazi they mustn't get together with their wife.
No. Yeah.
For 21 days.
Yeah, for 21 days. You must sleep down because
who must sleep down between the two?
Is the man.
Why is that?
Yeah, because is your wife. Yes. Yes.
Okay, ngiyakuzwa.
Yes.
Angali ke baba. ngiyabonga baba ukuthi like ungibonisa okunye
Yes.
kepha ngizokubonisa okunye nami ngoba
Yes.
sengokuzwila baba ukuthi okunye unokushintsha ngingabekanga baba kunjena ke baba angalile ngizolala phansi unkosikazi alale ebhedini kuyenzeka baba kule mizi ehlala kuyo nala wena uhlala khona if ubaba uhlala yedwa amsoni kepha uye endlini kunabantu abaningi
I think he's becoming personal now, sir. He's telling our viewers that when you are not married
No.
and you are staying alone,
No.
which is, I feel it's
No,
very wrong
I'm
for
so-
him
Yes,
for telling people
Is it-
now about
is-
your
now,
reality.
if it's a possible because it's my reality and it never was we change the same provide ngendlela engenza ngayo manje na akashintshi ukuba ukuthi njengoba nonkosikazi mina ngihlala ngedwa I am so sorry fish.
Okay, I'm sorry baba kushuthi ushelelile
Yes.
angithandi
It's a tongue slippery.
Oh, what's it? Yeah, it's a
Tongue
tongue
slipper.
Yeah, tongue slipper. Yeah.
ushelele ulimi baba
Yes.
baba yazi mina engizama ukukusho la ukuthi ubaba wasendlini uyaphuza akabutholi utshwala yes nangabutholi nje kanje utshwala inqondo yakhe yonke ihlangahlangene ufika umama akaphuza umama uyihlale endlini nakafika ubaba ungena kwakhe lonke lo laka lo tata lihamba estradini afuna notshwala akabutholi konke lokho kulana inqondweni yakhe ukusama umama.
Yeah, it's the truth. It's the truth. But I want to explain the I want to explain the best.
Yes.
You know my friend. You know Mthombo because funeka silandele umgomo kaMongameli uRamaphosa. Sithi funeka simhloniphe. Ngithi mina asizameni uMthombo senzeni umqombothi ube khona lapha endlini.
Sacela ukubuza ukuthi if ukuthiwa utshwala umqombothi utshwala.
Yes.
It means umqombothi uvumelekile.
Impossible ngoba isendlini funeka siphuze isizulu leso.
Ngiphuza isizwe.
Yeah.
Ngicela ukubuza if ngikuphuzele endlini lomqombothi angeke ungikhiphe.
Yeah, maybe not.
Okay, nami ngizohlangana namaphoyisa estradini ngiphuzile. Funeka ngwathethe ngiphuza umqombothi.
Okay, my friend. Yeah. Listen, but now I told you you must ukulinda. You know English ukulinda. You must wait. Yeah, you must wait in 21 days. You get the drink. Ushuthi uhulumeni uRamaphosa simrespecteni. Shuthi asimrespecteni umhlaba wonke uyarespectwa ubaba ipresident. Yabona necabinet yakhe ngendlela abasikhulume ngayo ukuthi ke ake sistopeni kancane utshwala sokulinda umlinde kusa azange sizale notshwala shuthi asizameni phela ukuthi sukuyela kancane utshwala sobona nge17 shuthi soba nenkinga ke uRamaphosa bangawuthedelanga nge17
Mina ngokufisa kwami
yes
angiphikisani nomthetho wepresident.
yes
ipresident iphethe ilizwe
thank you
and ipresident ibekwe ngabantu.
yeah
Bengicela nje ukuthi ipresident noma ngabe ke leyo 21 days I think now say silabo 14 or if I'm not mistaken 14 or 13 days. Bengicela ukuthi ugovernor as a president
yes
akabazwele noma ngabe linye ilanga linye angisho ukuthi kubo wonke lawase abazwele kulo ilanga elilodwa nje athi ananse late endabeni za late athi ngizocela ukuthi kuvule ekseni ngo1 kuvale ngicela ukuceda bese uyala azobona abantu ukuthi if umuntu uthi awuhambi uyothenga ubuye angisho siyazi ukuthi kusi distance wasema Pick n Pay distance
yeah
umuntu umele naselikho kuzoba distance because umuntu ujabule ukuthi uyayibona lento ayifunayo uzoyibekezelela and azayithola and nasayitholile uyohlala endlini angeke azaloku aphuma ngaphandle ayolifuna because unayo la endlini.
Do you agree with that, Mr. Swart?
no I not agree because ngiyengathi makakhanda umqombothi wayitshela ukuthi uzophuma manje la makazothenga utshwala uhulumeni makavumela utshwala ngeke akwazi ukuphuma azofuna umnyezithi no possible
Mr.
Yes.
Baba uSulwayo mina ngoba bowuthi umqombothi ngize ngithi mina umuntu uzophuma ngikushiso ngokubuza umbuzo wodwa ukuthi umqombothi akuyona utshwala na
it's alcohol
so baba uSulwayo lento leni ngizama ukuyisho yinye nje for straight umqombothi notshwala into eyodwa ukuphuza kwami umqombothi ufana ukuthi ngidala mina isifiso sami sinye vo ugovernment akanike abantu ithuba elilodwa phela ilanga alikhethe loba liyaziwa uye announce abantu bahambe bothenga banekiseke inhliziyo zabo kuphela kona siyafa
ngoba sesiselele imizuzu elishumi ukuba sizivale indaba zethu. Mr Fish, akukhulume konke kungaphakathi enhlizweni yakho utshela abalaleli lapha yana indlela wena ophatheke ngayo nesifiso sakho ufisa izinto zenzeke ngakhona bese sibuyela kuMnumzane uCharles asivalele makaqeda bese asifundelele wena.
Mina balaleli mina isifiso sami sinye bonke abantu abanama-tavern kubuhlungu kakhulu na undlula i-tavern amaningi esihlala kuwe emalokishini apendiwe uyandlula uhamba nomntwana omncane umntwana omncane uyazi ukuthi umalume bekamthola la uthi malume nakasoka malume wona bophuza la kanti awusaphuzi akazi umntwana ukuthi isimo sinjani bengicela nje ukuthi mhlawumbe nangabe lokwepembe pende kuncane akake kufakwe nje iseyini ngoba lento ibulala abantu ehlizweni if uzobona kubhaliwe liquor store wena uyitshela ukuthi kukhona vele lotshwala phakathi kepha ngeke ungene la
and uyazi ukuthi makuvalwa kukhona phakathi
and angeke kuye la
kuhlunga kakhulu emolini manje
emoli mfethu uhamba nomama ngicela ungikhaphe mama uhamba naye and uyazi bohlala uyawedwa lapha emoli uya khona elikho umile layini izilayini iziphushele kuyo le line elikho uzume kuwo lo mnyango uloku ubuka uyalibona ibhodlela la uyayibona into ephuzayo la iyashaya inhliziyo umama nathi woza phephe enyeza uyabona kusexabana abantu
so ngamanye amagama sibuyela ephuzweni lakho elithi akungokufakwa amakhethini okungqono
akukho kunye mfethu akuvale umuntu angayiboni
into ibuhlungu window shopping yotshwala
ibuhlungu kakhulu ibuhlungu ngathi kubuhlungu empahla lokujike njalo wala phathi yotshwala udala womini
ake size sibuyele kuye ke Mr Slab. In closing sir, what can you say?
Umzwile uMnumzane Fish kodwa okwami ngikushoyo ngithi mina bakithi ngicela ukuthi sibekezeleni shithi leyofika leso sikhathi leso ukuthi size sinathe abaphuzayo bophuza kamnandi nababhema bobhema bathi kunalento ebuhlungu ukuthi usuku uphathwe ikhanda ngiyabazi abantu abadala bebaphathwe ikhanda mabangabhemanga manje umqondo ubuye ungasebenzi kodwa ke sicela sibekezeleni esingakhohlwa okubalekile asibuye sigeze izandla sivale impela singathashi thiwa singathashi ubuso don't touch your face yayibona don't touch your mouth yayibona njalo don't touch shuthi konke and
Mr Fish, what must you know what he must not touch?
Don't touch it. Ngingamtshela ngayo don't touch it phela ibhlungu le ngoba kuzoyibiza ngelinye igama. Don't touch it kahle kahle. Shuthi don't touch. Shuthi uzama
touch is the move.
Touch it, that is the move. The touch. But please ladies and gentlemen, ngithanda ukuthi ke ngibonge ngalondlela phela uhlelo ukuthi ke naku uNomzane siyasinikeza ithuba ukuthi sizokhuluma ngalento sicuguzela abantu ukuthi phela asile ngoba phela inzima lento siyabude ngalokho.
Okay Mr Slwane. Ladies and gentlemen, as we gonna go to the weather esizoyifundela uye Mr Slwane, don't forget this broadcast is sponsored by Connect Link from Bloemfontein. Can we get the weather sir?
Ngizocela nje ukuthi ngeke ngisifunde ngesizulu ukuze uzokwazi usizwa kahle impela yabona isimo sezulu namhlanje masiqale shuthi isimo sezulu sala i28 kodwa masiqale emanzini siye lapha eOrange House mawunqamba lapha kweOrange House uyongena lapha ko-First 5 ugcina impela sogudla ngathi ufuna ukuza eThabang esikolweni lothi gwaqwa ngamafu kodwa libamba u17 degree namhlanje kodwa kunezulu esingalilindela ntambama maqala mayikhupha kwabo8 masikhuphuka sithi First 5 sibuye sithi First 4 sime lapha kaMageza sizobamba lapha iFirst 4A siphinde sibambe iFirst 4B kunomkhizo khona kodwa kunemfungo ezoba khona kodwa manje kunezulu esingalithola impela elo70% esingalithola impela kodwa size sithole ebusuku elazi liphele ekseni ngo4 masinqamule impela sizosisuka lapha kaMageza sinqamule impela impela solekokhulisa siphinde sonqamule impela sobheka leko koma53 sigudle impela size sofika khona lesanibonani sime lapha yizo iyanqaka mina lewele ukuthi njani mayifika lapha ema25 ayinethi libalele khipha umkhombe nje kodwa mayifika ngapha esanibonani liyani izulu abantu bamanje abantu abangani impela labathela izulu ngapha likhiphe umoya shilo khona abantu abamile bahleka laba bangapha hey ngisuke lapho ngisuke ama-25 ngiyokhupha phela sengiyoshona le edudleni ngiyoncamuleka phela ngiyoshona ama-49 ngize ngiyobheka le ma-48 ngiyophelela le ko-first three ngase-Rasmus ngime lapho hey izulu lino-80%. Liyingozi futhi liyaduma ake zamani phela ukuthi nongena endlini manje liyoduma kakhulu bakithi yizo lezi amanqaphu ezomthanyane nothola kusasa bakithi ngiyabonga.
Okay, thank you, ladies and gentlemen. This was your news at 5 p.m. at Makeza's Corners News. As we said, this news is sponsored by Connect Linty from Bloemfontein. Asihlangane kusasa ngoba ngibona ngathi ubaba uFisher akagculisekanga ngempendulo azitholile sike silibheke kahle lolu daba uma siqhubekela phambili ngendaba wena hlanganela nathi njalo lana uMakeza's Corners News at 5 p.m. every day sikulethela indaba zomphakathi ezishoyo ukuthi kumele sizinakekele kanjani kuyo i-coronavirus kulabo abangazi isimo siseme lapha ku-1326 sabantu aba-infected ukuthi babe bahlanu ekuyibo ukuthi sebashile ngaphezulu lakithi laseNingizimu Afrika. Asihlonipheni imithetho lana sivulela wonke umuntu ongagculisekanga ongazwisisi mhlambe ngesimo siyamletha azokhuluma noMr Silwane lana umuntu omele amalungelo wabantu ukuthi le corona lena mele abantu bazivikele kanjani kuyo. Mina nabami bezindaba ngithi siyabonga uhlelo lwenu ebesilihlanganisele lapha indoda enkulu ebuye station esikhulu salana eKhothora sekuthiwa uJR umgqugquzeli wehlelo lethu sithi sibonge kakhulu ngasikhathi senu enisinike sona. Asiphinde nisihlanganeni kusasa ngaso lesikhathi ngo5 o'clock thina lapha uma siqhawulana senze njena sithi kwenziwa nje siyabonga.